Today, we're going to be making a white chocolate frosted chocolate chip cake, a simple and delicious dessert made with a white cake mix, milk chocolate chips, a homemade white chocolate frosting. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, I'm going to need a cup of white chocolate. Make sure it's good chocolate and you want to put it in a boiler, a double boiler is what I'm putting it in. I'm just melting it just like that. I just want it melt. Or you can put it in the microwave for about 10-15 minutes to make sure it's all melted. I need 1 stick of unsalted butter. Let it sit out so it can get room temperature enough for you to beat it well. And that's a teaspoon of vanilla extract. My melted white chocolate is going right into my butter. Okay, now I'm going to mix this up. Now I've got 3 cups of textured sugar, and I'm going to do with the textured sugar, I'm going to put some in there, and then I'm going to combine the rest as I go. You need to have that heavy cream, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, or keep putting it there until it reaches where you want your icing. And here we go. Okay, so you're going to make a white cake. It's going to be a box cake, any old white cake that you like, your famous white cake. You're going to follow the directions on it, and I'm going to bring you back and show you what you do after. Okay, after I mixed up my original white cake mix, I let it sit here for a minute, and it kind of like fluffed up. So I'm going to take some chocolate chips, and I'm going to sprinkle a little, and I'm just going to like fold them in a little bit. Then I'm going to pour my cake batter inside my pan. Okay, 325 to 350. Look at your cake. Make sure you're looking at your ingredients. Some of them are 325, some of them are 350. Okay, I covered my cake with aluminum foil, and as you notice, it sunk down in. When you pull it off, it takes off a layer of that. But that's okay because we have this icing to cover it up. So I put this in the refrigerator, and I had to actually work this with my hands to get it nice and pliable enough to put it on the cake. So I'm just going to go ahead and plop a big glob of this on the cake. I've got my nice spatula here that was warmed up with hot water. I'm just going to cover up that cake. All right, so I'm just going to slice down on it, this side of the cake. And I'm going to get a pretty nice healthy piece, which my son would be mad if I didn't because he loves the cake. Okay, let's get down in here, guys. I see those chocolate chips. Ooh, it's a lot of chocolate chips. All right, take that knife there, and I'm going to hold that, and there we have it. Okay, and look at this, guys. Look how soft and moist. Let's cut down in here and you all could see how moist. Look, it's so moist, it's bending. This is a very moist and delicious cake. And this is my white frosted chocolate chip cake. I hope you all enjoy this as much as I'm going to enjoy it tonight when I do this show here. I'm going to have me a big piece, and I hope you have your big piece because guess what? I didn't make this cake alone. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I guess I'll see you back next time with another adventure of another cooking show we're going to have. See you next time. Bye.